The festival of colors known as Holi takes a toll on your hair. So even though you are ready to treat yourself to a wonderful time in 2023 by playing Holi, keep that in mind. The majority of the Holi colors contain chemicals that are really harsh and bad for your hair. However, with the special Holi hair care tips, you may safeguard your hair without giving up the enjoyment. To maintain your healthy hair and the fun in the Holi times, remember these quick and simple pre and post Holi care solutions. First, pre-Holi hair care tips. First off, trim the split ends. The Holi's toxins and chemicals will exacerbate damaged hair's already present roughness, brittleness and dryness. The toxins in the Holi colors are enough to take a toll on your hair, so do not further torture it by not trimming the split ends. Ask your barber for a maintenance cut a day or two before Holi. Next, skip the shampoo. And no, we are not talking about playing Holi with soiled and greasy, oily hair. To preserve the natural oils in your scalp and hair, do not shampoo the day before or on the day of Holi before playing with colors. Your hair will be shielded from drying colors by these oils. It is also recommended that shampoo your hair 2 to 3 days before Holi to preserve the natural oils in your scalp. Give an oil massage to your hair and scalp. Oiling your hair and scalp creates a barrier between the hair fibers and the colors, preventing damage to your hair shafts and reducing breakage when you wash your hair after Holi. To ensure that your hair does not take the brunt of Holi 2023's fun, generously massage your hair from roots to tip with coconut oil or olive oil. Since these oils are light and they do not only have beautiful fragrances, but also moisturize your hair and act as a shield to dust and colors too. Now, if you're liking the video, then please hit the like button and sub to the channel would be phenomenal. Tie your hair back. If you have long hair, then it is imperative to have your hair tied up. Braid your hair or pin it up in a bun. This is another easy approach to prevent damage to your hair. Do not let your hair loose because doing so will expose more of your hair to the colors and the dust, causing your hair to tangle up, which will inevitably cause additional damage and hair loss. Tying it up saves most of your hair since this process can leave most of your hair untouched. That is if you have long hair. To protect your roots and stop the dyes from drying out your scalp and roots, cover your scalp with a fashionable scarf or bandana if you can. This way, won't it also become a protective layer for your hair and scalp, but also act as a fashion icon for you? It's a 2-in-1 benefit, my friends. After Holi hair care tips. Use a hair mask before shampooing. It's time to give your hair a post-Holi treatment now that the festivities are over. Rinse your hair with plain water to remove all the color before applying a wash. Once the water runs clear, apply a hair mask. Generally, your hair is damaged with the haunts of the Holi colors, so it is essential to use a hair mask that repairs the damage done to your hair. If you have any organic mask with you that you have bought from the shops, then you could use that. But we recommend using an all-natural hair mask that you can make from your home itself. To know more about how to make this hair mask, click the link above or in the description below to know more about it. Also, if you generally have dry hair, then you could also make hair masks that you could regularly use to get rid of the frizziness and lack of shine in your hair. You could watch our video Hair Masks for Dry Hair, which is in the link above or in the description below. Now, let's get moving. Use a gentle shampoo. Since you have damaged your hair with the Holi colors, it's important that you do not use any harsh shampoos like the anti-dandruff shampoos to further exacerbate the damage done to your hairs. Use any mild shampoo that does not irritate the scalp. Next, deep condition. On days like Holi, your hair requires extra care, so do not forget to condition your hair. Apply a condition to the roots of the hair, which would bring back its luster and shine. Keep it flowing better than ever before. This is the perfect occasion to get a hair spa done. Oh yeah. But wait, are you thinking that it would be too costly on your budget? Hair dudes thinks differently. Check out our video How to Hair Spa right from your home from the link above or in the description below to save those precious pounds of yours. Thank me later. Next, apply serum. Now you're almost set, and by the word almost, I mean not quite. After you are out of your washroom after ages of washing your hair and taking extra care, it's time to apply an extra shine to your hair by applying a hair serum to your beautiful damp tresses to lock in the moisture and add that extra volume. So, in that evening or the next morning when you're back with your friends, they'll be forced to say, "You've got amazing hair, dude." That's all you need to know about the Holi Hair Care, guys. I hope you like this video and subscribe to the Hair Dude channel to get to know more about your hair.
Subscribe.